to know if you have any monetization policy issue and how to fix them. In this video, I'm going to be answering some of the questions people have been asking in this space. If you are one of those people that have received this kind of message on their phone, this kind of message, this one now, then this video is for you. If you have not received the message and when you check your monetization policy, you'll be seeing this kind of message, this one, then this video is also for you. If you are the type that you have up to 100 followers, 5k followers, you have 4k followers, 3k followers and above, and you make a post, you'll be seeing 50 plays, highest 100 plays. In 1 week, it's still on 100 plays. My brother, my sister, this video is specifically for you. I'm going to show you how I did my own. Oh yes, I have been a victim. I have been a victim, and I watched streams of videos on YouTube in order to be able to ascertain the particular problem and then fix it in just 3 days. Yes, you heard me right. I said 3 good days. Facebook monetization policy issue can affect your account, harm your account, because a lot of things that we've been doing here are against Facebook content monetization policy, and we don't know. In this I'm not going to be teaching you what to do that can affect your account, but I'm only here to show you if you have issue, how you can fix it. If you don't know, how you can find out and how you can fix it. So let's get started. So we're going to start from phase 1, how to check if you have any issue. I am on my page now and clicking on the place the arrow is pointed. Once I click there, it will bring me to this place where under help and support, I'll click on support inbox. I hope you can see it there. Once I click it, I wait for it to open, and then you will now see where it's written your alert. Then click on it. This is where you will see all the issues you are having. This is the one I had that I have solved. If you have more, all of them will be listed under this. All right, the next one we'll be going to do is go to your dashboard, click on your dashboard, and it will bring you here where you click on home. Then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You will be seeing profile recommendation. Click on it, and you are seeing where the arrow is pointed. Click on it. It will bring you to this place where you will see profile status. Are you seeing the, let me bring that up so you can see it, profile status. Then you click on here is a place you will know if you have any issue or not. If you don't have any issue, it will write profile is recommendable and eligible to monetize. But if there's any issue, they will tell you profile has an issue. Now let's enter phase 2, how to fix these violation issues. Now before you fix your violation issues, I'm back to my Facebook page. Click on that place, 3 dotted line, scroll up. You will see copy link. Copy your link first. Copy it. I have copied. Yes, are you seeing the link now? I have copied this link now. I can save it, keep it anywhere, or save it anywhere. Next, you'll be go to your dashboard, come to this monetization, click on it. It will bring you to this in-stream ads. Click on it. It will open. Scroll up. Once you scroll up, the place where you will be seeing this arrow now is like it's ticked green because I am not violating. But if you are violating, it will be like this. The place I circled, it will be like this. It will not tick green. Then you screenshot it. Go to your dashboard again. Go to scroll up. Go to page profile recommendation again. That place we saw issue that time. Click on it. Click on profile status. Then open this place that you have issue. Click on it. This is where I'm having issue. Then once you click on it, screenshot this other place that you are having issue. Screenshot it. Then I have screenshot it. Then let's enter phase 3. Now in this phase 3, we're going to be starting afresh again, like we've been doing. Same process we used before. Click on that place, scroll up, click on help and support. That first thing we did earlier when we were trying to check our issues. Click on help and support. Once you click on it,
on it, you see the place we checked before, it was support inbox. Now we are going to be clicking on report a problem. Can you see it now? Click on it. I'm going to click on it now. I have clicked on it. Now it will bring us here. What you do, you click on continue to report a problem. Once you click on it, it will come open to this interface where you have to click include. Make sure you click include. I'm going to click it now. I've clicked on it. It will bring me to this place where I will have to choose what I'm going to be including. So if you're reporting your page, you click on page. If you're reporting profile, you click on profile. I mean the one that you're having issue. I'm clicking on profile now because I'm using profile. Once you get to this place, then minimize. Go to your AI app or anyone that you use to generate your message. I'm using chat gpt. I have typed here, can you please generate a good apology message for Facebook team, blah blah blah. You see what I wrote there? You can screenshot it. Then it has generated an apology message for me to send to Facebook team. Now once this thing has been said, I will just click on it, select the very place I want to copy. No, I don't want to start from there. I'm going to start from their Facebook team. Yeah, I'll copy all of them. If you copy it, you can choose to paste it anywhere of your choice, or you can just choose to take it directly to this place and paste. Once you paste, see where the cursor is pointed. Remember that your profile link you copied, this is where you'll be pasting it. I am pasting it like this because I assume that I first copied the message I wrote from with ChatGPT. Then if I'm pasting the link first, then I will have to put the cursor at that place I pointed the arrow, then press enter, then copy the message. Copy the message I generated with AI. You can use your WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp to do this. You can use your ChatGPT to do this. Then come here and paste it. Can you see it? I'm trying to arrange it now. I want to arrange it. Enter. I will now say my profile link, so that they will know it to be understandable. You need to arrange your message. Like I said, you choose the one that you copy first. Having arranged my message, next I'll be doing here is to click on upload from phone. Now we'll be uploading those things with screenshot. Those screenshots we made that time, I am uploading them one after the other. Some people, you can still screenshot your profile, just your profile picture like that. You screenshot about 3 or 4 the screenshot depending on the kind of issue you are having. Me, I prefer to copy my link. I prefer to screenshot my profile. I prefer to screenshot my issues, all the places you are having issue, screenshot them and upload here. The truth is that some people, it might just take days, while some might take weeks. Once you are done uploading, click on this place the arrow is pointed, and this was what I did and gained results. See you in my next video.